That's good.
Yo, who's on munchies tonight, yo?
Not me.
I guess that'd be me. What do you guys want?
Get some sour cream and onion chips with some dip, man. Some beef jerky, some peanut butter. Get some Haagen-Dazs ice cream bars, a whole lot of hot. Make sure chocolate, gotta have chocolate, man. Some popcorn, bread popcorn, graham crackers. Graham crackers, the marshmallows, the little marshmallows, and little chocolate bars, and we'll make some s'mores, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, yo.
Also celery, grape jelly, Captain Crunch with the little crunch berries. Pizzas, we need 2 big pizzas, man. Everything on them with water, a whole lot of water, and onions.
That's it? Anyone want anything else?
Oh yeah, give me a box of condoms and what's that stuff? Used to eat it all the time back in the day. Pussy. That's right.
You got it.
Thanks, man.
Hey! If I'm not back in 10 minutes, call the police.
If he ain't back in 10 minutes, we calling Domino's. I'm hungry. Yeah, yo.
Hey girl, you hungry?
Fuck you, nigga.
I'm sorry, I was talking to the horse here. You see the trouble you're getting me into? You're hungry, aren't you? Here. Oh. You like popcorn. It makes your teeth go pop, 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 pop.
This is Buster Phillips and coming in at number 8 like El Nino. Samson gets me lifted by my main man Hov. Sure smoke a lot. Ha!
This guy is weed crazy.
What do you want, master? Bitch! You know what I want. I want to talk to Samson. Climb to the moon like that Dallas Cram. Because it's hard being black and gifted. Sometimes I get one sword out down there and get left in.
That is so cool, man. He got the same deal as us.
Believe me.
Samson.
Oh, right.
Everybody knows in my neighborhood, it's the best test around. Samson shit is less. Got the whole town on lockdown.
I want to be right there. Look at this corn right here.
Get about this shit, please.
I'm all out. I'm all out of food. You ate it all. Gee, you must have been so hungry.
Uh-oh.
I need an ambulance! Now! Officer down! I repeat, officer down! What the hell did you give my buttercup?
I just gave him some candy and some chips and some pink popcorn and some Funyuns.
This horse is a diabetic! Buttercup! Buttercup! Don't you leave me! Breathe, Buttercup! Breathe! Breathe! You're under arrest.
What?
You dumb son of a bitch!
No! I'm a peaceful man. I'm a school teacher.
Shut up! You're a cop killer!
I love horses. I love horses.
I know horses.
I love buttered stuff.
Buttercup! Damn!
Butternut.
Cop! Cop!
I must be rated. Stop the hate, child.
Mayor was set at $1 million. The crime of killing an officer of the law. God have mercy on your soul, young man. Part of the jury.
Yourself. Watch
The wheat's wearing off.
Yo.
Help!
Oh. Hey, nigga, what time is it?
It's 8:30. Kane didn't come home last night. We are worried, man.
Word, yo. Where the hell is it? Did he just move?
Kenny called. He's in jail. He didn't leave a number. Sincerely, the guy on the couch.
Come on, guys. We gotta get Kenny out of jail, man.
Hey, Kenny. How they treating you in there?
Let's just say I'm not getting the respect a cop killer deserves. I was up all night, getting harassed. Hey, Fish. See what I mean? I think they're mistaking my kindness for weakness. I'm scared.
Hey, Kenny. We're gonna get you out of there, man.
All we gotta do is raise 10% of 1 million, yo. Which by our calculations is fucking impossible, man.